Grief by Emma Lazarus. There is a hungry longing in the soul, a craving sense of emptiness and pain. She may not satisfy nor yet control, for all the teeming world looks void and vain. No compensation in eternal spheres, she knows the loneliness of all her years. There is no comfort looking forth, no back. The present gives the light to all her past. Will cruel time restore what she does lack? Why was no shadow of this doom forecast? Oh, she has played with many a keen-edged thing. Naught is too small and soft to tune and sting. In the unnatural glory of the hour, exalted over time and death and fate, no earthly task appears beyond her power, no possible endurance seems great. She knows her misery and her majesty, and recks not if she be to live or die.